I won't let you go. I won't let you go chasing after Charity. Not this time. You can't leave your daughter. You can't leave me. I'm the mother of your child.
I'm really sorry, Kay. But I can't let her go.
Yes, you can. You don't need Charity.
No, I do need her. I love her. And I can't turn my back on our love. I can't let her get away.
If she wants to go, you should just let her go.
No. And if I can't talk her into coming back, then I'm just gonna stay with her wherever she is.
No. No.
I'm really sorry, Kay.
Miguel, wait. You can't leave me. I love you. I love you more than life itself. And I would never walk away from you the way Charity did. I'm begging you, please don't leave me.
What'd you just say?
I said that I want to get married, Chad.